wished you could type to Siri instead of having to talk out loud? Now you can. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable typing to Siri. Now let's get started. To enable typing to Siri on iPhone, first open your Settings app. Select Accessibility. Scroll down and select Siri. Then tap the switch at the top to enable Type to Siri. Once this is enabled, you can simply hold down your lock button on the side of your iPhone to activate Siri, and easily type messages in the text box that appears at the bottom of your screen. Ask Siri questions or give commands as you normally would through speech. This new update makes it easy to use Siri even in situations where you can't speak out loud. That's all it takes to activate Type to Siri on iPhone. To learn about more useful features in the iOS 18 update, check out our playlist of iOS 18 videos. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.